and the fuel started to fucking gel. I don't know. That's what it sounds like if the trucks weren't running right. Which sounds like he said he called the fuel guys, so they should have put stuff.
Yeah, that's what Mike was telling me. And they said they put it in, but I don't think they did. And then he started putting it in when it was fucking frozen. I'm just now trying to make it to Ash Grove. I don't know if I told you in the last message. Greenfield guy came and got his mail. Now I got Ash Grove and I got to run it, I guess. Well, the truck was running. The one light came off and the truck was running great until I got to Ash Grove and had to climb a hill. And now it is doing bad. Holy crap, dude. The truck was doing good until 6 miles into Ash Grove, and when I climbed my first hill, it's not doing good. I called Mark to let him know that he wasn't understanding anything I was saying. Oh my word. Like, it sounded like I woke him up. I told him about the Greenfield guy coming, and he got his mail. I just gotta go to Ash Grove. And Han just unloaded it. Yep, he was talking gibberish. It was hilarious. I'm like, oh my word. I don't know how I'm getting stuck out here.
Keep me updated and stay warm.
You're not gonna follow me? I got this guy behind me with this hazard on.